Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So in the dollar yen, definitely looks like the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, eventually it will take out the low of wave 4. But there definitely is a possibility that it makes it crescent to the last 5 waves up and continues up. But if it really is a wave 5, then it will not make a crescent, but instead it will make a 1, 2, 3, and eventually go down and break the low of wave 4. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, definitely very, very impulsive move to the downside on the weekly. I'm definitely still looking at this as either a wave A or a wave 1. Could be a wave A, and it definitely could be a crescent to this move up right here. Even if it is a crescent to the move up, I would expect it to make some sort of a, three-way pattern like that, some sort of an ABC pattern. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still not convinced that it's going up yet. I still think that we're in that wave A or that wave 1. It looks like a 1, 2, 3. Still looks to me like a wave 4. Still looks to me like it needs to go down again for a wave 5. Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. So keeping all this in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down right here. I'm definitely still primarily looking for shorts because I am a swing trader. I'm still looking for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm still looking for a nice engulfing move to the downside, and if I get a break of structure, that's even a bonus for the continuation of the downtrend, likely the end of a wave 4. So keeping all this in mind, taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So if you are a 1 hour time frame trader or below, like a scalper, ever since we broke structure to the upside at the beginning of last week, you definitely should have and could have been looking for longs. I am not a scalper, I'm not a short time frame trader, so I'm definitely waiting for a Fibonacci bounce, waiting for a nice engulfing move to the downside and a nice break of structure to go short. I actually think that this is an ABC crutch, and I think we just have a very, very slow market right now, especially on the dollar and the yen pairs, because it is August and pretty much everybody is on vacation right now. I still think it needs to make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5 to complete this pattern on the higher time frames, likely either a wave A or a wave 1 on the weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.